This is my 2007 Mustang GT, changing out the rear brakes pads without using any special tools. I just undo the top bolt up here, swing this back, leave that one bolt in, and I basically just take my lug wrench, set it in there, and I just take my pliers. I'm going to turn this clockwise to get to the stop position, and I'll actually pry on the lug wrench at the same time, and it'll slowly move into position to allow you to put the new brake pads in. Kind of hard for me to do with one hand, but that's basically it. Just stick it in there. I'm prying with the top hand and twisting in counterclockwise as it slowly moves in. Takes about a minute. So that's it. That's the way I've always been doing it with no tools. Thanks for watching.